Hello guys, welcome to my channel Quiz World. IQ questions for kids and others. Before video started, subscribe my channel and press bell icon, like and share this video. Have you subscribed my channel? If not, please subscribe my channel and watching more amazing videos. Can you guess the fast food restaurant by emoji? Let's start. Good start, it's Burger King. Guess in 5 seconds. Nice, it's Popeyes restaurant. Third question. Right guess, it's Starbucks. Guess the restaurant. Correct, it's Church's Chicken Restaurant. Next question. That's right, it's Taco Bell restaurant. Sixth question. Yes, it's Pizza Hut. 1% can beat this. It's Five Guys restaurant. It's hard quiz. Drop comment, waffle lovers. Ninth question. Famous YouTuber Mr. Beast restaurant. It's too hard. Good, you broke this challenge? Drop comment. Guess the restaurant. You gained 1 point. Medium level. Excellent, broke medium, gain 1 point. 13 question. It's Wingstop restaurant. Can you guess this quiz? You guess correct, drop comment. Next question. Yes, it's a Red Lobster restaurant. 16 question. Good, it's Sweet Frog restaurant. Guess and gain 1 point. Congrats, you gained point. Guess the restaurant. It's Smash Burger restaurant. Guess this. That's a Wendy's restaurant. Next question. Drop answer in comment. I am waiting your response. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and press bell icon watching more interesting videos.